Friends, given problem is reduce the following matrix to echelon form and find its rank. Here you observe they are given 3 rows and 3 columns. So nothing but it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now let us consider the given matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2 3 2 1 2 5 minus 5 11. Now we have to find out rank of A. Which method? By using echelon form. Okay friends, rank of the matrix in the echelon form means it should satisfy two conditions. The first condition is if there are any zero row. If there are any zero rows. Okay, zero row is nothing but all the elements are zero. That should be below the non-zero row. Okay, next second condition is the number of zeros before the non-zero element increasing with row number. Number of zeros before the non-zero element increasing with row number. Okay, now we have to apply to get the rank, means to find the rank we have to apply row echelon form. In the row echelon form we are applying elementary row operations. So after applying the elementary row operation we will get the matrix like below the diagonal elements are zeros, nothing but upper triangular matrix we will have. Okay, now you see first what we have to do means round up the first diagonal element. Now later make the below the diagonal element are 0 by applying elementary operations. For that you see I am applying row operation, that is the second row, this 2 I have to make as 0 and 5 also. Okay, so I am applying R2 tends to R2 minus this 2 minus 2 na, so 2 R1. Next R3 tends to R3 minus 5 R1. Then only 5 minus 5 means it, this term will be 0, right? Now if you are applied, then we will have A is equivalent to first row. Are you applying any operations? No. So this is as it is. In the second row you are applying R2 minus 2 R1. So 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus of minus 2 is 1 plus 4 is 5. Next 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is nothing but minus 4. Okay. Next one. Third row. R3 minus 5 R1. So 5 minus 5 0. Next minus 5. You see I can write for the convenient here minus 5 I am writing. Okay, for the convenient. 5 minus 5 is 0. Next minus 5. This is plus 10. Nothing but here you will have plus 5. Next 11 minus 15. 11 minus 15 is minus 4. So this is the second row. Now you observe below the diagonal elements are 0 or not? Yes. Next. This is the second diagonal element. Round up this diagonal element, make the below the diagonal element as 0 by applying elementary row operations. So for that we are applying R3 tends to. You observe here the second row and third row are similar. So simply you can do R3 minus R2. Okay. Now in this case the matrix A will be first row and second rows are as it is because we are not applying any operations. Now in this case 0 minus 0. 0, 5 minus 5, 0, minus 4, minus of minus 4 means plus 4, minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So you observe the third diagonal element is what here? 0, and you don't have other rows also, only 3 rows you have. So this is in like which matrix here? Upper triangular matrix, nothing but below the diagonal elements are 0. Now we have to find out the rank. Is it satisfies the two conditions of echelon form or not? Now we are verifying. You see this is non-zero row, this is non-zero row, but this is a 0 row. So in the first condition if there are any 0 rows that should be below the non-zero row. Yes or no, it is satisfying the first condition or not? Next one. The number of zeros before the first non-zero element. Before the first non-zero element. You see before the first non-zero element in the non-zero row. Is it a non-zero row or not? Yes. This is the first non-zero element. Before that is there any 0? No 0. No 0. Next, this is also non-zero row. Before the non-zero element, this is the first non-zero element. Before that, how many zeros are there? 1 0. Here, no 0. Here, 1 zeros are there. Next, here you have a 3 zeros. Okay. Of course, whenever 0 rows are there, that time only. This is 0 row, so no need to verify. So, zeros are increasing with row number or not? Yes. So, the two conditions are echelon form are satisfies. So, you can say rank of A is equal to number of non-zero rows. How many non-zero rows are there? This is a 1. non-zero row and this is the second non-zero row. So you can say rank of A is equal to 2. That's it. Friends, sometimes you can verify by using the calculator rank of the matrix. Rank of the matrix, not determinant of the matrix. Based on the determinant, we can justify the rank also. Okay. Now you see, this is the matrix. Now to simplify, in this calculator only I am explaining. Go for matrix mode. Matrix mode means it is a 6. You have to press 6 button. Now we have to add matrix 1. Okay, that is matrix A means press 1. Next this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so press 1. Okay, you have to give all the values of matrix. So first row you have 1 is equal to minus 2 equal to 3 equal to 2 equal to 1 equal to 2 equal to 5 equal to minus 5 is equal to 11 is equal to, okay, sorry, here I had done a little bit mistake. Now I am rectifying this one. Now I have given all the values of the matrix elements. Okay, now press is equal button and AC button. Now you see, you have to go for matrix mode because we have to find out the determinant. So for that, shift 4 here you see, top of the 4 you have matrix, so press shift 4. Now we are in matrix mode. We need to find out the determinant. For that, press 7 button. Next, determinant of mat A we want, so again shift 4. Now mat A we want, so press 3. Now determinant of mat A is equal to, you see what you have, 0. So det A is equal to 0. Nothing but rank of A is not equal to 3. Obviously less than 3. Less than 3 is nothing but that may be 0 or 1 or 2. When you will get 0 matrix, 0 rank of matrix is 0 if matrix is a 0 matrix. Okay. Next, if it's a non-zero matrix, then obviously you will have 1. But this is a non-zero matrix. But you observe, you take a 2 by 2 matrix here. If you take a 2 by 2, 1 ones are 2. 1 into 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is not equal to 0. So you can say one of the minor is of 2 by 2 order is non-zero. So rank of A is equal to 2. You can say. Okay. Like that also we can answer. Just that is a verification purpose I explained. Thank you for watching this video.